We're going to talk about how you can make as much as 500k monthly from affiliate marketing business. So if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, I want to welcome you to this channel. On this channel, I actually teach you how to make money online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you generate money for yourself and grow your business. My name is Awajimam Ishoto, and I will just go straight to the point and talk about how you can actually start an affiliate marketing business and make some good money up to 500k monthly. All right, you can make 500k monthly, you can make 1 million monthly, you can even make, let's say if you're starting for the first time, you can make up to 200k depending on your ability to implement all that you are going to be learning from this video. All right, so I'm just going to go straight and tell you all of that. But before I do that, I need you to kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure to turn on the notification bell, because if you turn on the notification bell, it helps you to get notified whenever I put out new videos. All right, so let's go into the video proper. Let me show you step by step how you can make as much as 500k monthly from affiliate marketing. Now, I'm sure you must have heard about affiliate marketing. I guess that's why you clicked this video. So in case you don't know, affiliate marketing is actually not a referral business per se. Why I'm saying so is this: a lot of people think it's a business that will say, okay, bring one person, bring two persons. No, affiliate marketing is actually a business where you recommend solutions to people, and when they make a purchase, you get paid a certain commissions. Now, the advantage of this is that you do not have to be physically present to earn from this system. You do not have to work 24 hours to earn from this system. You can be anywhere in the world and make money from this system. All right, you don't even need a website if you are starting out in this business. So there are a lot of advantages that you have if you know how to do affiliate marketing business. Now, another advantage of this is that you can actually earn weekly. If you look at your screen right now, you will see that this is one of my earnings that I earned from affiliate marketing business, from this same business I'm telling you about. Now look at another one. Are you seeing this now? So I can go on and keep showing you different screenshots of money that I have made from this same business I'm telling you about. So it is really possible. Okay, so I want to share with you the step-by-step process of how you can do this business without wasting much time. Number one step, you have to go to a platform and sign up on a platform. Are you getting it now? You have to sign up on a platform. Now there are different platforms that you can sign up on. Okay, some of those platforms will ask you to pay money to join. Some will ask you to just sign up for free. However, whether you pay to sign up or you sign up for free, as a beginner, you will, even if you sign up, you will need to understand how affiliate marketing works before you now say you want to be making money. So one of the major mistakes that a lot of affiliate guys make is that they want to make money. They just jump in. They don't know how the process works. They just jump in, and at the end of the day, the same way they jump in, they jump out. Why? Because they don't know how it works. They think it's a quick scheme. They think it's, oh yeah, bring 10 people and then you climb to the next position. No, you have to understand how affiliate marketing works. All right, the first step is to join a platform. That's why some of you now, you might be saying, okay, why do I have to pay? You pay so that you can learn. All right, there are resources that you get. That's why when you hear affiliates telling you to pay money to learn, pay money to get a course, they are not just giving you a course. They are not just selling you a course. They are giving you access to resources that will help you to learn how affiliate marketing works. But most 99% of people will say it's not something they want to buy. They will keep struggling. Why? Because they are avoiding the process. All right. If you choose not to invest in a course, that's fine. But it's going to take you a long time to figure out how it works. All right. But it doesn't mean you must do that. You can decide that you just want to sign up for free and move on and do it by yourself. Or you can decide to let someone to really show you how it works. Okay. So let's say you want to start and sign up on a platform. What is that platform that you want to sign up? Let me take you to a platform where you can sign up. That is the second place, the second step we are going now. The second step now is to go to a platform called StakeOut, and I'm going to show you now. All right, we go to a platform called StakeOut. Okay, we go to StakeOut. All right, we go to StakeOut. Follow me, guys. We go to StakeOut. StakeOut. I'll go to StakeOut now, and then we are going to sign up. So when you come to stakeout.com, this is the what you are going to be seeing. If you're not seeing this, it's still fine. All you need to do is to look for the sign up button and click on the sign up button. My own is showing like this because I'm already a member of the platform. Are you getting now? So all you need to do is to click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to be asked to sign up, and then you fill in all your details. And once you fill in all your details, you have access to the page. This is a platform where you can start affiliate marketing for free. However, you will need to get resources to learn how it works. Are you getting it now? So for those of you who want someone to show you how it works, all right, there is a resource that you can use. All right, it is not free. There's a resource that you can use. You can also gain access. When you get the results, you gain access to our mentorship group and our community, where you see thousands of persons that are also like you. If you want to get that resource, you want to move faster, because if you're trying to figure things out by yourself, you're going to struggle. That's the definite truth. It will take you time to make it. But when you get mentorship from the right people, it's easier for you. Okay, so if you're one of those who want to be mentored, you want to learn how it really works before you start this thing, you will need to gain access to the resources and the community. I will drop a link for you as regards that. Okay, I'll drop a link. Just check the link in the description, or drop a question for me in the comment section. Okay, now let's say you sign up properly. Once you finish signing up, they will ask you to log in. Then you'll be seeing something like this. All right, so I'm going to log in now, and then I will show you how you can pick products that you can start promoting and making money from. Let us sign up now, and when we sign up, we can now see all of the products that you can promote. Okay, good. So this is my own dashboard. This is the dashboard you are likely to be seeing when you sign up properly. So how do you see products that you can market? All right, how do you see product that you can market? You come to this top left here, you can see these three lines. Click on it once. When you click on it once, you're going to look for where we see marketplace. Okay, let's look for where we see marketplace. Can you see marketplace here? Click on it once. So once you click on marketplace, now I'm showing you this. Now listen carefully. I'm showing you this. This is a platform that you can come in for free. Okay, you can come in for free. However, if you will succeed with affiliate marketing, you need to get the course. Are you getting now? You need to get into the program that will show you step by step how you can do this. Are you getting now? It is not by force for you to get a program, but if you really want to move faster, you need to get access to the program. Okay, but however, you can still do your promotion, you can still start the business and make money for yourself if you know your way around. All right, so now when you come to marketplace, look at, can you see different products? Can you see this one? Now look at the price of this. Can you see the commissions? Can you see? Now this is showing us the hottest product of the day. That is the product that a lot of people are buying currently. Are you getting now? So if you scroll and keep scrolling, you are going to see a lot of products. All right. So how do you actually pick a product? Let me show you how to pick a product. To pick a product, you just come to the button here and click on promote. Once you click on promote, it's going to open the full details of the product for you. You can see all of the details about the product. So once you scroll down, right, you can see the affiliate link. Are you seeing now? You can see the affiliate link. This place is saying copy affiliate link below. However, before you copy the link and start promoting, you need to come and check if there are materials that you can use to promote. Are you getting this now? You need to check if there are materials like maybe graphics, like content that you can use, or maybe videos that you can use to promote the product. You don't just want to go and be creating content by yourself. It's going to stress you. The producer or the creator of the course has already created a document or a file for you to use to promote. All right. So for you to get that, what you need to do is to come to this place that says JV page. Are you getting now? You click on JV page. It's going to open all the promotional documents that you need. All right. Now, another thing you need that is very important is that you need to check the sales page. What does the sales page look like? One of the things I found out as someone who promotes affiliate products is that sometimes the sales page of the product might have expired. If the sales page has expired and you are busy promoting, imagine you are sending the link to somebody who is ready to buy and the person clicks on the link and the link is not sending the person to the page is not opening and the page has expired. You are definitely going to miss that sale. So it is very important that you check the sales page and be sure that the sales page is functional before you say, okay, you want to go ahead and start promoting the product. Are you getting now? This is one of the mistakes that a lot of newbies, a lot of beginners don't check. They just go ahead and start sending links up and down. And if you do not do it very, very well, you may not get sale. Imagine that somebody is about to pay you $50 for a product and then your sales page is not functioning. You are going to miss that sale. Okay, let me give you an example of an experience I had. Somebody wanted to purchase my products all the way from South Africa, yes. Because the payment gateway or the payment system had issue, the payment system of the product I wanted to promote had issues. The person couldn't pay. I missed that sale. Are you getting now? So you have to make sure that you check very well before you say you want to send the link to people. So check for your JV page, which is where you get the resources of your product, and check for the sales page. So let's say I want to promote this product that says 30 days fast income challenge. What I'm going to do now is to come here and click on the copy. I'll click on copy. Are you seeing copy now? Once I click on it, I already have my link to promote. Okay, so I will go ahead and start promoting the product. I will start pushing the product either on my social media account, or maybe I want to run paid ads to bring people to the product, to let people know about the product. Are you getting it now? So that is how you can promote and get and start selling and start making money from affiliate marketing. Now, two things before I end this video. Very important things. Two things you need to look out for if you want to make your 500K weekly or monthly from this business. Two things you need to look out for. I'll tell you now in a moment. The number one is that if you want to make 500K monthly, you need to be very, very good with your numbers. Are you getting now? Numbers is very important. You want to make 500K. How much would you need to achieve? How much would you need to sell to get up to 500K? That means you need to divide 500K, 500,000 naira by the number of sales. Okay, so you need to go and look for the product that has, let's say, maybe a product of 50K and then with a 50% commission. So if you're selling a product of 50K and you have a commission of 50%, that means if you sell a product, if you sell one piece of it, you are getting 25,000. So how many times will you need to sell a 25K commission product before you get 500K? Do that mathematics. All right, do that mathematics yourself. Okay, so if you get that, then you now know that, okay, you need to sell a particular number to achieve your 500K. Can you see the calculation now? So that is how you can go about making your 500K. For those of you who really want to understand this, I have a group where I train, where I teach you, I mentor you on how to do this. However, it is not free. Okay, it is not free. Go to the link in my description. Go to the link in the description. Check for that link. All right, it will give you all information about how you can join. Okay, and then you can also comment in the comment section to ask me any question you have. That is number one important thing you need to note. Number two is that you must make sure to shorten your link. Are you getting now? Don't just carry this link and be throwing it everywhere on all platforms. Don't do that. If you do that, some platform will ban you. Like TikTok, don't carry link and be throwing links everywhere. TikTok might ban you. Facebook might ban you or restrict your account if you're doing that. All right, there are strategies to how to succeed in this business. That's why I'm saying you can't just say you want to do it by yourself. You need someone to mentor you on how to do it. That's why you need access to the program. All right, so this is where I'm going to stop for this video. I believe that you have learned something from this video. There are many things that you need to know if you want to succeed, if you want to making at least 200 to 300 to 500K doing affiliate marketing monthly. All right, if you want to learn more about this, you want to learn how you can actually be making sales, just go to the link in the description. Check the link. All right, it will guide you to where you can get access to all of the information about how you can join our affiliate program. All right, please kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, make sure to turn on the notification bell. All right, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.